Previously, I had gone through how to set up termite traps, which is initially just a way to monitor and see if you have termites. Today I'm doing the follow-up video and going through how to get rid of them when you see activity in the monitoring stations. First, you buy the cartridges of actual termite killer and put your gloves on before doing the work so the traps don't smell of human. Step 1, you get your little spider tool. It goes to the left, which is a little counterintuitive to me at least. And then we'll get this out with a little screwdriver. I like to do this to avoid touching it anyway, but this one I'm just gonna chunk, but you can actually see visible termite tracks. That's what those lines and circles at the bottom are. So we definitely need to replace this with actual killer. We've got our actual termite killer. I'm using gloves like I said. Just gonna drop it in there, and we just put this back on, and my understanding is we're all set now. So the termites have learned that this is a good place to get food, and they're gonna come get it there, and it's going to wipe them all out. So we'll do another one just to recap. Left turn, apply this out, put the fresh one in, close it up with the right turn, and you're good to go. And since the termites have learned that this is food, you're really not gonna have to worry about anything. They should just wipe themselves out now. So that's it. Hopefully that helped. Have a good one.